The bucket wash method, you're going to need a bucket, a clean bucket. You're going to need some tap water. You're going to need plenty of microfiber towels, at least 5 to 6 of them. You're going to need a wash mitt, preferably a wash mitt glove to wash your car and apply the shampoo solution on your car's panels. You're going to need car wash shampoo. So that's all you need for your manual bucket method. Guys, car wash can be quite a therapeutic and a rewarding experience, but you need to ensure you take care of a few do's and don'ts to get a good result at the end. To begin with, please do not wear any jewelry while you are going to wash your car. Remove any rings, watches or bracelets or any kind of objects on your hands which can potentially cause scratches on the car's body. Ensure that you wear loose fitting soft clothing like a t-shirt or pair of Bermudas or your jogging pants which do not have any zippers or buttons protruding out. Denims are a big no-no, and in any case it's going to be a tiring exercise, so denims are going to pull you down. So wear soft clothing, that will help you in this exercise. You need to start washing your car starting from the ceiling and work your way down. So from top all the way down. So start with the ceiling, then your windshields, then your body, your door panels, and followed by your bumpers and the wheels towards the fag end. And do not forget, your running boards should be the last thing that you should be cleaning, because your microfiber clothes are going to get a lot more dirtier when you start cleaning your running boards. So remember the top to bottom approach, and you need to have a bunch of microfiber towels ready. More is never enough as far as car washing is concerned. So ensure that you have a bunch of microfiber clothes for your car wash exercise. You need to have a car wash mitt, a wash glove to help you wash your car. If you do not have a wash mitt, that's perfectly fine. Use a soft microfiber towel. If the towel falls down, keep it aside, take a new one. Remember to wash your car in a parked, shaded area. Do not wash your car under direct sunlight. This will cause the concentrate or the solution on your car to dry up faster, leaving smudges. So park your car under a shade and then wash your car. The best time to do it, if you ask me, is early in the morning or in the evening. But remember, mosquitoes. So if you want, have some mosquito cream applied on your legs and hands before you do this activity. We will now dilute the car shampoo concentrate from the bottle. Remember, more is never going to do you any good, and it isn't going to give you any better results. So we'll use a minimum quantity of the concentrate and dilute it using the water. We'll now pour about 10 to 15 ml of the concentrate into the bucket. That's all you need to create a really thick and frothy solution, guys. Let's now dilute it with some water. So we have filled about a quarter bucket of water, just enough for the wash mitt or the microfiber cloth to be dipped and all the panels of the car to be cleaned. So let's go ahead, rinse down the car with water, and we'll apply the soap solution using the microfiber cloth. We'll start by rinsing the car all round, starting from the top towards the bottom. Ensure all the panels are rinsed down. Then dip the microfiber towel or the wash mitt into the bucket with the shampoo solution and wipe the car starting from the roof, working the way down towards the bottom panels. You can stand on top of the rear tire to get access to the roof. Guys, take this really slow and steady. It's a very therapeutic thing to do. Listen to some music if you want to. Some parts, like the number plate for instance, would have become very dirty, so you may take more time there. Towards the fag end, clean all the wheels. And finally, the running boards, which will be the dirtiest. You can see that it has left us with barely any soap solution. Now, rinse down the car with a bucket full of water, starting from the top all the way down. The soap solution from all the panels have to be washed down thoroughly, so it doesn't leave any smudges on the panels. Okay guys, the last step. It is time to wipe the car down. Use a clean dry microfiber cloth to wipe the car. Start from the top and work your way down as usual.
Ensure that all the panels are wiped dry without leaving any water residue, as it may leave spots on the panel once it dries off. Use a separate towel to wipe the windshields, glasses and mirrors. You are going to need about 2 to 3 microfiber towels to dry the car completely, so keep them handy. Clean the door sills, window sills, boot sills, and the innards of the boot, as water droplets may have collected there. So guys, here's how the car looks after the one bucket wash method. The wash leaves the panels with a very subtle gloss which pops under the light, as you can see. I have not done any detailing or ceramic coating on the car. It is just the factory paint. So that'll be all guys. Hope this video was useful. I'll see you in another video. Bye and take care.